Hi paleontologists, it's Miss Shannon, and today I want to do a science experiment with you. We're going to make ice eggs. So first we're going to take a balloon and a dinosaur, and it could be any dinosaur you like. Who could tell me what dinosaur I used? It's a stegosaurus, and we're going to put it in the balloon. Got the dinosaur inside the balloon. We're going to fill the balloon up with water. And once we get the balloon filled with water, we're going to make sure that it's nice and closed so the water doesn't get out. And we're going to put it in the freezer. And you're going to freeze it overnight. So I'm going to go put this one in the freezer. What do you think will happen with the egg when we put it in the freezer overnight? Let's find out. I have one that I froze earlier, so now I'm just going to peel the balloon away. Who could tell me what happened to the water when it went into the freezer? What did it turn into? It turned into ice. All right, now let's see what we can do to get the dinosaur out of the ice egg. Let's try. As you can see, I put my ice egg into a bowl. I'm gonna take a turkey baster because I don't have a pipette, but if you have a pipette at home, that works a lot better. And I'm going to put some warm water in it, and I'm going to try to squeeze the warm water out onto the egg. What do you think the warm water is going to do to the ice? I think it's going to melt the ice and turn the ice into water. So as we're trying to melt the ice, we're just going to keep squirting it with water. But if you don't have a pipette or a turkey baster at home, you could melt the ice in many different ways. Who can tell me some ways that you think you can melt the ice? If you don't have these at home, you can melt the ice by just running it under warm water. Or you know what you can do? You can leave it out in the sun. Why will the sun melt the ice? Because the sun is hot, huh? So let's just get this ice egg melted. Now I'm going to try to get my ice to melt a little bit faster by running it under warm water. There are many different ways to melt your ice. It's getting a little full. See what's happening to my ice egg? What's happening? It's getting smaller and smaller, isn't it? All right, let's see how. Uh-oh, what happened? A dinosaur came out of the egg, didn't it? What kind of dinosaur did I use? We found a brachiosaurus in our egg. What happened when we put the liquid water into the freezer? It turned into ice. It froze, didn't it? What happened to the ice egg once we started putting warm water or we left it out in the sun? It melted. It went from ice to liquid water. Isn't that really cool, cherubs? Well, thank you so much for doing a science experiment with me. Bye, my paleontologists.